How to find live on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find lives on Facebook easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook app and here click on the screen or the TV icon up there, videos icon, and like now you are in For You page. All you need to do to go to watch lives, click on the live beside the For You icon, and you're gonna find people or Facebook users lives. And this is it. Like you see, this is lives. You can click on one of them and watch. You can also comments, share, whatever you want. You choose one of them. And this is it, easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.